For over 4.5 billion years, the sun has burned in our sky. It is the source of all life on Earth. But there is one part of it we have never seen, until now. And what scientists discovered at the sun's south pole could change everything we thought we knew about our star. This is more than just a scientific milestone. It is a glimpse to get us into the unknown. The sun is massive, more than 100 times wider than Earth. Yet despite centuries of observation, our view has always been limited. From Earth, and even from satellites in orbit, we only see the sun from a fixed angle, one that hides its poles completely. The sun is tilted about 7 degrees relative to our orbit. That may sound small, but it means the poles are forever hidden from our perspective. Until now, our understanding of the poles came from indirect measurements and models, but never direct images, correct? In February 2020, the European Space Agency launched the Solar Orbiter. But not everything in the images could be explained away. Some patterns seemed organized, magnetic loops forming symmetrical shapes, almost geometric. Others saw strange flickers of light appearing and vanishing in less than a second. Are these merely natural phenomena? Or do they hint at processes we don't yet? Official explanations remain cautious. The sun is a complex and chaotic system, but speculation is growing. Some believe these anomalies may be signs of massive energy storage, the kind that could unleash superflares thousands of times stronger than anything in recorded history. Others, more conspiratorial, wonder if there could be structures beneath the sun's surface, or evidence of forces influencing it from beyond. It sounds like science fiction, but so did photographing the sun's poles just decades ago. The first glimpse of the sun's south pole has answered some questions and raised countless more. We are only beginning to understand what these strange patterns mean and how they might affect our future. If this is what hides at the sun's south pole, what secrets wait for us on the far side of the moon? But perhaps the most unsettling question is not what we've seen. It's what we still can't see. The solar orbiter's images cover only a fraction of the South Pole. Beyond its reach could lie even stranger formations. Energies building silently, waiting for a moment we might not be ready for. Some scientists warn that the sun is approaching the peak of its activity cycle, a time when solar storms become more frequent and more intense. If the patterns at the pole are connected to these surges, then what we've witnessed may be just the opening act. And if the South Pole hides secrets, what of the North Pole? The part of our star that remains completely unseen, waiting in the darkness until the day we dare to look.